Hindi, interpretation ko lang yan.
Because we were here nga po, we watched it together. Like, I was asking him, oh, so how was it? How was it? Wait lang, after na pag napanood na natin. Kasi kinatanong ko siya while we were watching it. And syempre, wow, natutuwa ako. Thank you. No.
Nag-blush
Marami
ka,
pa
you're red.
eksena. Diba? This whole week you'll be there pa rin, diba?
Yes,
Or something,
I think
yeah.
so.
Bel, how do you feel about that? Yung parang naka-monitor din siya sa career mo, no?
Well, it's so naka-monitor. Hindi, it's so nice kasi yun nga, I think this is something we both agreed upon.
Tells me, so that would be my family, of course. Even you. You're someone who tells me stuff na siguro hindi masasabi ng iba, di ba?
Talaga? Sinasabihan mo siya?
I would say so.
Same naman kami. Like, we really do communicate.
Yeah. And I think
Do you text each other every day?
Oo nga. From morning to evening. I mean,
Ako
pagkagising
ngayon
at bago
lang Do you
matulog.
text each other every day?
no, I mean, we see each other almost every day.
Yeah.
So
Right.
hindi naman kailangan palagi magka-text kasi parang mas gusto namin yung magkausap talaga.
Yeah. No,
Oh.
like as simple as, good night.
Take care, sweet dreams.
Oo, minsan, syempre, may mga ganun din minsan. Pero, no, me and Belle, mas sanay kami sa hindi masyadong nagte-text, ganun. Mas, kunyari kung kasi alam ko hindi masyado nag-reply sa text, so kailangan tawagan mo talaga.
Uy!
Okay, so, red flag yun,
tinatawagan ko
Uy,
siya.
ano ba yan? Ano
Totoo.
naglagan dito?
Oo.
Yung tawag, mas gusto niya yung
Ayo,
tawag.
maganda naman din
Oo.
yun. Simple as, good night.
Take care, sweet
Oo,
dreams.
minsan, syempre, may mga ganun din minsan. Pero, no, me and Belle, mas sanay kami sa hindi masyadong nagte-text, ganun. Mas, kunyari kung kasi alam ko hindi masyado nag-reply sa text, so kailangan tawagan mo talaga.
Uy!
Okay, so, red flag yun,
tinatawagan ko
Uy,
siya.
ano ba yan? Ano
Totoo.
naglagan dito?
Yung tawag, mas gusto niya yung
Ayo,
tawag.
maganda naman din
Oo.
yun. Naririnig yung boses.
Scent niya, depende green flag mo. Mabango.
Uy!
Mabango si Belinda.
Describe the scent.
Iba-iba yung scent niya, depende sa occasion.
Grabe yung sagot mo.
Pero
Donnie.
gusto niya yung mga,
Gulat ako.
gusto niya yung mga fresh lang, fruity.
Parang bagong ligo.
Ganun.
What's her scent now? Ate Tessa si Donnie eh.
Saan nyo nabasa yan?
Hindi ako nakikinig lang. Ikaw ba? You show your inner child to just anybody randomly?
I think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our inner child to anyone we're
Diba?
Yes,
People you're
comfortable
close
with.
with.
Yes.
People you love. Diba? Diba, Donnie, no? Alright, Jeff, Ollie.